Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. In computer, today's topic is local area network. We are going to study now. Local area network is limited to a single building or group of adjacent buildings. Local area network is governed by protocol for sending and receiving data. Protocol means a set of rules through which transmission process is done. Okay, now let's have a look features of local area network. Okay, local area network is having high speed exchange of essential information. It is used for limited area, as I have told you that local area network is considered for a single building or a group of adjacent buildings. Next feature is that local area network supports few users, but it's quite reliable and stable. Do you know why? Yes, because of prevention of transmission loss and excellent security features. Next feature is its expandability. LAN can be expanded, means in a network number of nodes can be increased or added. And you might remember, students, that in a network we can have more than one server. Oh, so what about server? Let's we talk here. Let's have a look on components of local area network. So first component is server, right? What is server? Okay, let me tell you. Actually, in a network, server is the most powerful computer on which other computers are totally dependent for getting services. In other words, those other computers, which are also called clients, make request to server for getting services. All right. Next component is network interface card. See here, NIC. NIC stands for network interface card. This card translates whatever signals it gets from CPU for establishing communication between the terminal and a file server in a network. Actually, terminal and file server are two major computers in a network for establishing communication. Next component of local area network is cabling. Why its name is cabling? Its name is cabling because whatever network we are connecting through a physical medium, means physical medium like cables. So through cables, if we are connecting the network, then this process is known as cabling, right? Okay, now in fourth number we have Workstation. Now, what about workstation? Actually, it's called the helper of server in a computer. The main job of workstation is to execute files retrieved from network as server gets overloaded. Right? Means whatever pending work is left in network, this pending work is completed by workstation in replace of server. That's why this workstation is called the helper of server. Getting my point, everyone? Okay. Next point I am explaining shared resource. You all are familiar with storage devices, printers, and modems. In a network, these all devices can be used by everyone. That's why resource or sharing resource is one of the component of local area network. Simple example you can take: having a single cable. If computers are added, these computers are called nodes. So each computer is called node. In this way, it is easy to set up and easy to manage its hardware with software. So manipulation can be done easily. In this way, local area network is a right choice for offices. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.